Hi guys, so today in this video I am going to share my experience of using the Kottakkal Nalpamaradi Thailam. So I was researching for some tan removal Ayurvedic method to remove my tan and to eliminate my dull skin so that it will give a boost to my radiance and brightness. So I was searching basically to remove my tan, my stubborn tan. So that's when I saw Kottakkal Nalpamaradi Thailam, and during my research I also found that when Kottakkal Nalpamaradi Thailam mixed with Eladi Thailam from the same brand, it gives a very good result. So I thought, okay, let's buy that. And also while researching, I found that they also have Shatta Dautagrutam, which means 100 times to washed ghee, which is very famous, which was very famous during the Corona period. People started to make it at home. They put ghee on a plate and they wash it 100 times with water. But that procedure we don't know how to make it, but Kottakkal is a very well-known established brand, so we can believe and trust on that they would be using authentic methods to make such products. For example, Shatta Dautagrutam, you need to use copper vessels to make the ghee paste. And also while doing the procedure, some mantras are chanted. So yeah, that's how the procedure to make the Ayurvedic creams are. So I also bought that. Let me show you that. It's right there. So this is the packaging that I got. I did not order it online. Kottakkal has pharmacies everywhere. So again, I googled Kottakkal pharmacy near my place and it showed a place. So I visited there and I got these oils. So the first one is the Nalpamaradi Thailam, and we have Eladi Thailam, which means cardamom Thailam, and finally we have the very famous Shatta Dautagrutam from Kottakkal. While researching, I also found that both of these oils comes in two bases, either coconut oil base or sesame oil base. If you have a heat body, then you can go for coconut oil base, which will control your heatness in the body, and if you have a cold body, you can go for a sesame oil base, which will add warmthness to your body, and that's what I've read. Since I have a cold body, I went for a sesame oil base for both these two oils. I am a person with oily skin and comedones like blackheads and whiteheads on my skin, so I'm not really sure whether coconut oil would work on me, and they have not mentioned the ingredient list whether the coconut oil, what form of coconut oil they have used, whether it is virgin coconut oil or cold pressed coconut oil. They have not mentioned that. So I was like, let me go with a sesame oil base. That is going to be the safest option for me. So these oils come in a PET plastic bottle, transparent plastic bottle. I have planned to use these oils as a face mask. Some people use this as a night oil and some people use this as a massaging oil. But for my goal, I prefer to use this as a face mask to remove my tan. When I first poured the oil, the color looked yellowish green. It is dark yellow in color, clearly shows it has turmeric in it. Now I add some Eladi oil to it. Both oils have sesame oil as its base, so I expected it to be thicker, but to my surprise, it is not at all thick. It smells like Ayurvedic and very herbally in nature. It is not a very disturbing smell. I kinda like it. I applied it to my face and I don't feel any heaviness too. It is light and can be used for massages easily. I left this on my skin for 15 minutes and washed it off with my regular face wash. You need to wash your face with a face wash or cleanser or a soap to remove the oil from your skin. I could instantly feel it brightened my skin like wow. On camera, I'm not sure how it is visible, but in real life, this actually brightened my skin in the first usage. If this could brighten my skin and remove a little bit of tan in the first usage, I am really looking forward to use this. These Kerala Ayurveda oils actually work. Hope this doesn't give me pimples. It hydrated my skin so well. I applied a little bit of Shattadauta as an aftercare. This is actually fantastic and I'm planning to use this even more. I'm planning to do a 7 days video challenge and also a full-fledged review on both of these oils when used as a face mask. Why am I loving this so much? Because if this could remove so much of tan and brighten my skin in the first usage itself, I'm really looking forward to see what happens if I finish this entire bottle. I'm really loving it and the price is also very affordable. Let me tell you guys the price. The Nalpamaradi Thailam retails for 180 rupees and the Ayurvedic Thailam retails for 225 rupees, and I could see the Ayurvedic Thailam has a lot of ingredients including saffron in it. That's why it is priced slightly higher than the Nalpamaradi Thailam, but I think at this price these guys does the best. And for the Shattadauta, I will do a separate video on this one. I'm also loving this one, you guys. This video is not sponsored and I'm not at all sponsored, but yeah, this actually doing wonders to my skin. I'll tell you what happened in a different video with this Shattadauta. So subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are a bride to be, then definitely try these oils. This is gonna make your skin look glowing on the big day and also it's gonna remove the tan. So yeah. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it can be useful for them too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.